I've been making this tea for probably 3 or 4 years now, lots of varieties of it. It's really important to me to have like drinks that remind me that I am not living a restricted life, but also nurture my health. I think that a lot of my binge eating tendencies came from lots of sugar spikes in my blood. So if you've heard of blood sugar and how it can be changing in the body, a lot of people with diabetes struggle with this. But how do diabetics become diabetic is the question, and that is by having a lot of these blood sugar spikes over time and their body actually becoming insulin resistant. So what that means is a higher level of blood sugar starts to circulate through the body at any given time, especially when you're eating something that has a higher glycemic index, like that fruit punch. So what we want to be seeing is having more natural blood sugar balance, and one good way to do this well, healing from like any emotional eating or any habits where you're having a lot of sweet things and you don't want to feel like you're stepping into a life where you're feeling deprived, is to actually make a recipe like this, because honestly, this is something that really helped set me free as I was entering my own eating disorder recovery. I don't think that my life would be the same without it. There's certainly not that many products in stores that have monk fruit and allulose in them as sweeteners. There's a couple. There's a brand of lemonade right now, but a lot of sweetened juices have artificial sweeteners like aspartame and sucralose and Splenda, and those things are kind of more harmful for the inside of the body. They're not as natural, they're made in a lab, and they're more chemical. So things sweetened with stevia, allulose, and monk fruit, those things, yes, we do need more studies. But ultimately, so many people are decreasing their inflammation with these sweeteners. So many people are finding freedom from their eating disorders using these sweeteners and dependency on sugar, because these things do not spike the blood sugar and they are also very delicious. So it brings a good balance and a good compromise to your daily routine. So even if you're not struggling or identifying with eating disordered habits or behaviors, you can still benefit from adding a sweetener and this recipe into your daily diet. I know that your kids and your friends and your husband, your boyfriend will approve of this recipe too. Try it out. Let me know what you think. Put your experience in the comments, and also let me know what kind of recipe you want to try, that you want me to try next, because I'm getting really excited to bring you as many recipes as possible, because I have so many different experiments that I've done over the years, and when you tell me what you want to see next, that gets me inspired and it gets me kind of thinking about what I could do. So can't wait.